This month we're doing a hydration themed unboxing. So to celebrate, we're on a boat! Getting into our box, you can see it has kind of the hydration theme going on the outside. We also have this lovely like blue mermaid type woman on the inside on our pamphlet with our quote as always. And inside of our pamphlet this month, we have a very handy infographic to decide whether or not you're dehydrated. Sometimes you don't know. You think that you're just cranky, but really you're dehydrated. So this can help you figure out what's going on. And in the box, look at our sample in a minute. But first, as our Director of Education, what would you say is Hum's most hydrating product for skin?
It's a good question. One of our more hydrating products that I love and I take every day is OMG. It helps hydrate the skin from the inside out. It's full of anti-inflammatory fats like omega-3s, and it's a really good addition to your diet.
Okay, so the last thing that we do is every month we include a different gift with our boxes. So just something new to incorporate into your beauty routine and test out. And this month, it's our friends at Patchology have this really fun 5-minute lip mask to help hydrate your lips. I'm so excited to try this because I get such dry, chapped lips in winter. It's outrageous.
This is great. So
This is open.
we'll have to make sure we do this one correctly.
It looks like it's going to be very squishy and it's sparkly. This is fun. Okay. Oh yeah.
I've never done one of these before.
I've never done this. Okay.
It's nice that it's lip shaped so you know exactly how to put it on.
Oh, it's so much better.
My lips feel really smooth.
Yeah, they feel like not scaly anymore, which is great.
You guys are gonna love this. I can't wait for you guys to try it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for the latest video updates and comment below if there's anything else you'd like to see us do. Thanks so much, guys.
Bye.